Hi, I'm Jeremy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy mummy. Alright, for this craft you're going to need some black construction paper. You're going to need some white construction paper, some googly eyes, some glue, and some scissors. What I've already done is I've taken my cutter that I have a guillotine cutter, and I just cut out some strips out of the white construction paper. And then I also I found a pattern online, I forgot to mention this. I found a pattern online of a gingerbread man. So I just printed that out and I traced it, a whole bunch of them actually from my whole class. I traced them all onto some black cardstock. So instead of being a gingerbread man, it's gonna be a mummy. So it's just, instead of using brown, we use black. And so I just traced around it. Like I said, I just Googled gingerbread man, cut out, I think I did, or outline. It was either one of those, and that's what I did. So I went ahead and I traced around it, and I went ahead and cut that out. So the next thing you're gonna need to do is glue down your eyeballs. You might want to use white glue. All right, so then you're just gonna lay the strips on it, and it's okay if it hangs off because you're gonna trim it down. So I just kept cutting these pieces down and then gluing them on. I think I glued it onto the head like that. Then you can get another piece. Some of the pieces are different sizes, so if you want to do the strips in different sizes, that works too. I have them all glued down, and they look a little sloppy now. But if you turn it upside down, this is what I had my students do. I just trimmed all around the sides of it. But there you go, there's the mummy. Let me glue his eye back on because it fell off. There we go. And so the reason I glued the eyes on first is so that way you kind of know where to put the paper at, but you could lay all the paper down first and then put the eyes on. I don't think there's a right and wrong way of doing it, but they came out super cute. Or little mummies. And they'd be cute for for Halloween or for the fall time, or even if you're maybe an older class is doing some stuff on Egypt or something. I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little bell notification to get notified every single time I post. Follow me on all of my social media that's listed right down below. And until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.